Hi, this is the second video in the series of videos to help you work with pivot tables in Excel. Now we are in sheet 2 with the pivot table we just created. Remember that we have the data here in the sheet 1, and we have here the variable list, which used to be the columns, and here we have some things that we will use to create our analysis tables. We will first start by working with age, and then let's put it in column table. And then see, these are all the different values of ages that we can find in our data. However, that doesn't seem very nice to work with. So just let's take it from here and drag it into rows. Now that looks nicer. Those are all the different possible ages. However, we don't have the frequency that each age repeats. So let's put variable unit into values, and then we'll have a frequency count. You see here that it says sum of unit, but actually sum of unit sums the value in unit. In this case, there's no problem. Unit is a variable that I created that has 1 for each individual, so I would rather use another one. Let's go to value field settings, count. So we make sure that we are just counting the number of times that each record appears. Okay, so these are the frequency. However, if we actually want to work with this, that's not really nice. Those all ages below year, and that the reason why they are this way is because they are like weeks, months, and half of months. So we have to add it up to years. So let's gonna group them. We go group, and then this small pop-up window tells us how we want to group. We're gonna start at 0, and we're gonna end at what's that? 1005. Well, there are some missing cases which I have coded with numbers over 100. Let's see them here. And there's no need for you to know why they are here, but these are not proper ages. So they cannot be grouped in regular ranges. So we have to do something with them. So we group them, we start at 0, but we only end at 100, which is the last value that I accepted. And then we say, okay, how we want the grouping. We want the grouping by single age. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just write 1. Okay? And this is where we get. We have all the ages in groups of 1. And what happened to the missing values? They are just collapsed here in 1, which suits perfectly. However, we may think, wow, there's 100 categories. That's not very easy to work with. So what can we do? We can just change the classification. We just go right click on it, we go ungroup, and we go back to the original, and then we group again. And then this time we start at 0, we go to 100, and then instead of saying 1, we say 5, and then we have our data classified in 5 year intervals. And that's it for grouping numeric variables.